This is Jerry Gonzalez and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who view my channel for the first time, we are doing budget database project in parallel with the tutorial. You could maximize the benefits of this video if you will also view the preceding tutorials in this channel. In this session, I will explain how to filter different data types in query. Now let's make query. Go to Create menu, select Query Design. Then from the dialog box, double-click TBL Expenses. Then click Close. I want all the fields to be visible in the query. Double-click ID, Particulars, Amount, Date, and Budget ID. Let us begin with filtering the text data type. Among these fields, only particulars have text data type. There are several filtering criteria such as equal, not equal, contains, but I will start with the equal. Let's look for particulars equal to fuel. In criteria row under particulars, type in fuel. To see the result, go to Datasheet View. The records returned are those with particulars equal to fuel. Go back to Design View. This time, try to filter particulars not equal to fuel. To do this, we just need to add less than and greater than symbols before the word fuel. After doing this, go back to Datasheet View to see the result. It returns record not equal to fuel. Go back to Design View. How about if we need to find particulars that begin with a certain word? Before we do this, I will open again TBL Expenses. Then add the word bath before soap. And after doing that, then close the table. Using query, let's try to look for particulars starting with the word bath. To find it, we need to use the like function of MS Access. Type in like, double quote, bath, then asterisk, then double quote. The asterisk here is the wildcard that replaces all the characters after the word bath. Go to Datasheet View to see the result. It will display records with particular that starts with bath. There you go. How about if we are looking for records that do not start with bath? Go back to Design View. We will just add not before the word like. Then let's check the result. Go to Datasheet View. And you will see all the records that do not start with bath. Go to Design View again. Now, let's try to look for records that ends with soap. We will still use the like function. Just type in like, then double quote, asterisk, soap, then double quote again. This time the asterisk replaces all the characters before the word soap. Then in Datasheet View, you will see records that ends with soap, bath soap. In Design View, how about if you are looking for records that do not end with soap? just use the not like function. Just write not before the like, then go to the datasheet view, then you will see the data there that does not contain soap or does not end with soap. If you are looking for particulars containing word soap but you don't know if this word is at start, middle, or end of the description, the syntax that you should use is like then double quote, asterisk, soap, then asterisk again, then another double quote. Go to datasheet view and you will see records with particulars containing soap. There you will see particulars containing soap. Go to datasheet view, or go to design view rather, and let's try to look for records with particulars that do not contain soap. I guess you already know what to add. Just type not before the existing criteria, and you can check the result. In the datasheet view, you will see particulars that do not contain soap. Here is the list of syntax for filtering text data. You may pause the video and take a screenshot for your reference. After this, we will go filtering of number data type. Delete the criteria under particulars, then go to the amount. Let's try to filter records with amount equal to 500. Just type 500. Then go to datasheet view to see the result. The records returned are those with amounts equal to 500. Go to design view again. This time try to filter records with amounts not equal to 500. Just type in less than and greater than symbols before 500. And after doing that, let's see the result. The records returned is with amount not equal to 500. It's only 50. Go to design view again and look for records greater than 50. To do that, just type in greater than symbol, then 50. Check the result. And you will see records with amounts greater than 50. Design view again. Try to look for records, this time less than 500. So just type in less than symbol, then 500. After that, go to design view or datasheet view rather. Here you will see the record returned with amount less than 500. Try to look for values with a range, say, all values from 50 to 500. To do this, type in between 50 and 500. Go to datasheet view for the result. All the records with amount between 50 to 500 are shown. Go back to design view. This time try to look for data not within 50 to 500. Type in not between 50 and 500. Just put not in the current criteria. Then click datasheet view, and we have here a blank table because we have no records with amounts outside that range. To validate the filter syntax, that we use open TBL expenses and change the value of one of the 500s to 300, and then close the table. Now let's go back to the design view of the query and make a little change to the criteria. Change 50 here to 300. Now we're looking for records not within 300 to 500. Let's check the result. Now we have a record with amount equal to 50. This amount is obviously not within 300 to 500. Here are the syntax that we use for filtering number data type. You may pause again the video to take screenshot for your reference. Next is filtering data type, or date type rather. Date data type. First, delete the criteria for the amount, then move under run date. Look for transaction made on March 20 for the year 2020. To do that, type in number sign, then 3/20/2020, then number sign. Here is the syntax for dates. Check the result. The record returned is with date equal to March 20, 2020. Go back to design view. How about if we are looking for records with date not equal to March 2020? To do this, just add prefix, less than, and greater than symbols in the existing criteria. Go to datasheet view again. The records shown are with dates not equal to March 2020. In design view again, try to look for records with dates after March 20 for the year 2020. Just change the prefix to greater than symbol, and this will return records with dates after March 20, 2020. There you go. In design view again, try to look for records with dates before March 23, 2020. In criteria, just type in less than, then number sign 3/23 2020, number sign again. Check the result. You should see the records with dates earlier than March 23, 2020. Go back to design view. This time, try to look for records within March 20 and 22, 2020. So this time we will use again the between function of MS Access. Type in between the number sign 3/20/2020, the number sign, and number sign again 3/22/2020, then number sign. Let's check the result. You should see records with dates within March 20 to 22 for the year 2020. There you go. From March 20 to March 22. There's no other dates there except for the range given. Go back to the design view and try to look for records with dates not within March 20 to 22 for the year 2020. To do this, just add prefix not in the existing criteria, and there's no record returned because we do not have records from our TBR expenses with dates outside the range specified. Go back to design view and let's try to change the criteria. Replace 20 with 21. Then go to datasheet view again, and you will see that there is one record returned with date not within March 21 to 22, 2020. Just additional information, you really don't need to write the proper syntax for dates. This could be done by MS Access for you. You could type like 20 March. If you haven't specified year, MS Access will use the current year. Hit the button from your keyboard and you will see that it will be converted to a prescribed syntax. This is the same with filtering with text data type. You really don't need to type like and double quotes. For example, you want to filter records with particulars containing soap. Just type in asterisk soap, then asterisk, then press tab. You will see that like and the double quotes will be automatically added by MS Access. Here is the list of the syntax for filtering dates data type. You may pause the video and get the screenshot of this for reference. That's all for now, and thank you for watching. In the next video, you will see how to control queries using forms. If you want to learn more about MS Access, subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.